Hey guys, welcome to the Trucker John Show. Glad you tuned in. Going to be doing something just a little bit different today. Thanks for joining me. Alright guys, welcome back. We're going to be doing something just a little bit different tonight. Tonight being Thursday, September 24th. Right now I'm up in Malone at the Walmart, getting ready to go to bed, doing my 10-hour break on my way up to Waterbury. But anyway, I thought I would go ahead and read all the comments that I haven't answered over the last week or so. Pretty bad about that. I don't really check them a lot. And I try to answer all of them if I can with a response, but it just seems like I don't have a lot of time to do everything that I want to do with these videos. So I think from now on I'm just going to give you a heart, knowing that you so you know that I read the comment. But anyway, and every once in a while I'll probably do a video like this and we'll go over some of the comments and what people have said and what you guys are thinking. But anyway, let's get started. So it's been like a week. It looks like about a week. It says 1 week ago was the last comment that I responded to. So, okay, the first one we're going to do is from Andre H. I guess I won't use last names. But Andre H. And this was about the Balsam Lake Mountain Fire Tower hike video in the Catskills. And he says, beautiful scenery. I thought those trail registries books were for taking count of how many people are eaten by bears and mountain lions. Well, thank goodness we don't really have any mountain lions there. Some people said they have seen some mountain lions in the past, but I've never really seen any evidence of that. But there are bears. Anyway, those books are there to keep track of the people using the trails, and so we can get funding to keep the trails maintained. And okay, next comment comes from Andre H. again, and this was on the open shoulder tire, not the alignment video I did. And he says Bailey was trying to get one more swim in this summer. Okay, so in the video, Bailey was trying to go in the pond while I was at home there. Always look forward to your videos, John. Well, I appreciate that, and I like making them for you guys when I have the time to do it. Just seems like I never have enough time to do everything I want. But anyway, Bailey, yeah, she loves going in that pond, and sometimes I got to keep her from going in because I have to give her a bath every time she goes in, or else she kind of smells like pond water, if you know what I mean. Okay, next one comes from Lori T, and this is on the hiking video as well to the Balsam Lake Mountain Fire Tower. It says, it looked like pretty to walk with your family and friends. I love your video. Be safe out there. Well, appreciate that, Lori. Thank you for the kind words, and I'm always trying to be safe. Glad you enjoyed it. Next comment is from Terry B. I enjoy the ride. Hope your long weekend goes well. See you on the next one. Thanks, Terry. Appreciate it. Always great comments from you. Okay, next comment is from Carlos A. It says, my friend, nice video. Thanks for sharing. Have a good and safe trip. Regards, Carlos A. Let's see, there's some more here. Looks like Carlos is from Ecuador, South America. Welcome. Well, it's a long ways off from here. Anyway, I appreciate it, Carlos. Glad you enjoy the videos, and glad you're here and part of the family. Next comment is from Mary H. It says, hi, Trucker John. We enjoy the video. That town at the end of the video was so pretty. The ferry ride looked so good. Take care. See you soon. Yeah, that town I did when I did my walk was Fairhaven, Vermont, and it is a really beautiful town. Nice old buildings, lots of churches and everything. Really awesome place. Okay, next comment comes from Ttjs. It says, well, the regular grind will be back next trip. Sure like the peak at New York's smaller towns. A lot of history there. See you next trip. Tim, yep, that is true. There's a lot of history here in upstate New York for sure. Just like anywhere else, really. Next comment comes from Carla H. Hi, Carla. It says, good morning, my good friend Trucker John. Thank you for another great ride and the ride across the ferry, across the lake. Great video and wishing you safe travels. And until next time, and God bless, much love to the family. Well, Carla, I really appreciate that. And I know you're right up there. You're one of my oldest subscribers. Like you were right in the beginning of all this. And so I always appreciate all your kind words, and it's great. Appreciate you. God bless you too. Let's see. Next comment comes from Gerbig, which is, and if you know who he is, he's another YouTube trucker. He does videos daily or 5 times a week or something. But they're shorter little videos, and I think he calls them short haul trucking vlog. So Gerbig says, we pick up loads for Batavia, Ohio there in Fulton. I live loaded once, but after sitting for 4 hours, I was relieved by the driver who was actually delivering the load. Great video. Stay safe and have a good one. Appreciate that. And one of these days, we're going to meet up somewhere, get together along the road here somewhere. I'll run into you. Okay, next comment is from Andre H. And that was on, do you have a large car or just a big truck? And it says, beautiful day for a walk, beautiful place to walk. So that's referring to the walk down into Fairhaven. Thank you, Andre. The next one is from Pilot Trucker Welder. He says, you're defeating the purpose of exercising by eating all that cheese and red meat, very high in cholesterol. And you're probably right. Cheese is one of my weaknesses for sure. Love cheese. I got to start cutting that out more. I appreciate it, Pilot Trucker Welder, and we'll see you on the next one. Next comment is from Mike O. It says, looks like your nephew could have done another 10 miles. He was all smiles yet at the end. Damn kids. You're right. Yeah, he is. Yeah, Tyler is, he's in pretty good shape. He's a heck of a lot younger than me. What is he, 30 years younger than me? Something like that. So, yeah, it's nice to be young. Don't waste it. If you're young, don't waste it. Get out there and do all this kind of stuff. Anyway, thank you, Mike. I do appreciate it. And our next comment is from Carla again. Carla H. Says, good morning, my good friend Trucker John and his nephew. Looked like quite a challenging yet relaxing hike up that trail, but nevertheless a great workout and one that helps build up strength and cardio training for sure. Has Bailey ever hiked up and down the same trail, John? When are the fall leaves supposed to be peaking in the Catskills? Can't wait to see those beautiful fall leaves. Have a great day and week, and nice to see your nephew again. Well, take care, my friend, and hope to see you guys hiking up the Catskills again soon. God bless, and hello to Melissa and Bailey. Great video. Thanks, Carla. Appreciate it that you took the time to write out that long comment. And let's see. Let's answer some of your questions. Bailey did go on a hike with me one time. I think I did a video on that. She went up... Yeah, I did do a video. When we climbed up to the top of the ski area, she was with me. Yeah, she's in the video, but she never did that long 10. I'm not going to take her on a 10-mile hike because if she can't do it anymore, I don't want to end up carrying her. Anyway, appreciate it, Carla. And the leaves, anyway, the leaves are starting to turn pretty good. I got some video today that I'll stick on the end of here of me coming up Route 190 out of Plattsburgh with some pretty good color that just kind of popped up overnight. Haven't looked at it yet, so I'll see what I can get off of that and stick it on the end of the video here. I know a couple of you guys are really looking forward to seeing some of that fall foliage, and so am I. Anyway, next comment is from Andre H. And it says, that was a nice hike. I felt my own knees start to ache watching you two. Yeah, I was pretty shot at the end of that hike. At last, I want to say probably the last 2 miles was pretty much just downhill and really steep in parts. And you would think that'd be easy, but it's not. It's really not easy coming down. It's quite taxing, and you're using a lot of muscles that you don't normally use. So time I got to the bottom and kissed that tree down there, my legs were so weak I didn't know if I could stand up anymore. But anyway, do appreciate it, Andre H, and thanks for commenting again. You commented a lot. Okay, next one is from Ttjs. A different way to keep on trucking. Okay, that's referring to the hiking, and that's true. It's like trucking on through the woods, right? All right, next comment is from Trucking in Wyoming. How's it going there, Big Mike? Appreciate you watching and commenting. It says, dang, John, you're tearing those hiking trails up. Good for you, brother. Better get in all you can. Won't be long before the dang snow flies in. You're right about that. If I remember last year, we had snow at the end of October. End of October, beginning of November was pretty snowy around here last year. But going out this weekend on an overnight hike, so I'll get some video of that. Hopefully that'll come out good if you guys are interested in that. And thanks there, Mike. Do appreciate it. Next comment is from Paula V. It says, awesome hike, beautiful scenery. Nice for you to have your nephew along for the journey. Be safe out there. Well, thank you, Paula. I always try to be safe, and I do enjoy hiking with my nephew. I was hiking by myself. And both ways are good. I do like, sharing the experience with somebody else, but also being on your own is kind of nice too. But anyway, thanks, Paula. And next comment is from Gerbig again, and it says, that's pure awesomeness, and referring to the hike. Thanks, man. I appreciate it. And I think I sent you a comment back on something back a ways that we should get together sometime and maybe do some hiking together. That'd be pretty cool. Don't you know we do a collab video. I can be on yours and you can be on mine. Anyway, looks like the last comment that I haven't responded to is from Lori T. And it says, did you guys have fun hiking? Yes, we did. You had great video. How is your family doing? I'm waiting for new videos. Stay safe out there. Lori, I appreciate that, and my family's doing fine, and we had a lot of fun hiking, and yeah, I really enjoy it. It's really nice to get out and hike like that, because it's kind of like other hobbies, you kind of forget about all the daily routines and get out in nature, and all your worries and cares kind of fall away to the side for a couple hours anyway. And it's good because in these times with all the stuff going on in the country and the world and the coronavirus and everything, it's good to get some downtime from all that. But anyway, so that's the end of the comments. And I do appreciate you guys watching all my videos and commenting, and I'll go back through these and give you a heart to let you know that I did look at them. And then if you do watch the video, you'll hear your comment right here on the video. And maybe if you guys like this, we'll do some more of it. But all right, well, stay tuned. Right after this here, we're going to roll some footage of some fall colors coming up Route 190 out of Plattsburgh. And then we'll see you on the next one. Do appreciate you being here. guys, we're going to leave you with a quote from Mark Twain. Kindness is a language which the deaf can hear and the blind can see. We'll see you next time. Everybody take care.